Guys, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to see one of the preview feature that is available in Power BI, which is quick message suggestions. So to give a overview about that, quick message suggestion is one of the feature wherein based upon the description we give, it will generate a tag for us. Let's see in hands-on. I'll click on options. First we will enable this one. Go to preview features and mark this quick message suggestion and click OK. Once you done, go over to QuickMeasure and here you will see a tab called Suggestions. So this suggestions will help us to write any description here and it will in turn generate a DAX for us and we can use the DAX in our reporting functionality. Let's try one or two examples. Let's say if my sales is greater than 10,000. Then give me high sales, else give me low sales. Click on generate and it will create a DAX for me. That is one of the superb feature here. As you can see, measure is equal to, if my sum of sales greater than this, then give me, else give me low sales. So in order to use this, I'll click on add and on your right hand side you will see this has been added. Now let's go and try it. Let me grab a table. I'll put year wise sales, and I'll also put measure which we created. And as you see, so since the amount or the value is more than 10,000, we are getting the high sales. If it is less than 10,000, obviously the output would be in low sales. Like this, you can use multiple other features as well. Let's try one more how to use this function. Like I'll again go to suggestion. So this time I'm gonna say based upon my selection, give me the output. If no products or no items is selected, then say no products are selected. I'll say, so if this is my suggestions, if selected value for product is blank, display no product selected, it'll show selected product. So what it is going to do for us is like based upon the selection, it is going to throw as a value. If no products are selected, then it's gonna say no product selected. Let me add it. So click on add and it will be added here. So let me drag and drop this here and it says no product selected. As you can see, it says no product selected. However, this will turn and it will show as a value if I use anything in the product ID. Let's create a product ID as a slicer, for instance, and drag it here. Now, if I click something, it's gonna show me the product ID. As you see here, let me increase the font size. As you see, if I don't select anything, it's gonna say no product selected. And if I select any product, it's gonna return me the value accordingly based upon the selection. So you see, this is a blank because if it is a blank, it is gonna say no product selected because on those days, on those years, there are no sales for this product, as you see. So this is one of the coolest feature in Power BI. Hope you guys learned a new feature today. And that's all for the session. We'll meet you on the next video. Bye. Take care.